Welcome to our guide on using the color group segmentation tool, a feature integrated within Colorize Pro. This means it's fully available for use with Colorize 2D alongside other algorithms from Colorize Pro. To demonstrate the utility of our segmentation tool, we'll start with a simple pattern texture. This choice is for clarity, but remember, the tool is equally effective with more complex textures. Once we've processed the texture into the three colors we perceive, you might find yourself wanting more control over how to color this pattern. This is where the segmentation tool comes into play. Consider the white color group in our pattern. While the regions it encompasses are not connected, they share the same color field. If you aim to color each region differently, segmentation is necessary to break this color into distinct components. To access the segmentation tool, simply click this button, which opens the segmentation interface. There are two segmentation methods: manual precision targeting mode and comprehensive mode. We'll begin with comprehensive mode. Comprehensive mode includes the spatial segmentation tool and the consolidation tool. For this guide, our focus will be solely on the spatial segmentation tool, as the consolidation tool is currently under development. The spatial segmentation tool features two settings: segmentation radius and noise cutoff percentage. The segmentation radius is the minimum distance required from other possible segments for a segment to be considered its own group. We'll start with the default setting to observe the initial results. Similarly, we'll keep the noise cutoff percentage at its default value, which suits most scenarios well. For more detailed information on this, please consult the documentation. Next, select the color you wish to segment for advanced editing, in our case, white, then hit the Segment button and wait for the process to complete. Observe how our initial white color group has now split into two distinct white color fields. This division occurred because one segment met the condition of being sufficiently distant from other segments, according to the radius we specified. However, this outcome wasn't what we aimed for. Our goal is to divide this color group into all its individual components. To achieve this, we'll adjust the radius to its minimum value. This setting ensures that segments, even those very close together, will be separated into their own distinct groups. But what if our goal is to selectively segment only certain regions of interest? Well, this is where manual precision targeting mode comes in handy. Activating this mode automatically brings up our texture preview window, a necessary component for this method. Unlike comprehensive mode, manual precision targeting seamlessly integrates segmentation and consolidation in one automatic step. We'll maintain the same segmentation radius as used in comprehensive mode, given its effectiveness. The key distinction in this mode lies in our interaction with the texture preview. To highlight specific regions for segmentation, hold down the Shift key and use the left mouse button to click and drag over the areas you're focusing on. After selecting all desired regions, select the specific color region you want to segment for advanced editing, then click the Process button. Remember, it's possible to select multiple color groups for simultaneous segmentation. The segmentation radius will be consistently applied across segments within the same group, ensuring precise control even when handling multiple selections at once.